with another project share, and I hope you're all doing well. With this project share, I used the digital kit from My Pink Monarch using, I think it's called Lavender and Daisies, or Daisies and Lavender journal kit. And I thought I'd try something different, and I made a folio using an A4 file folder. I've not made one before, so it's very simple, but I was really happy with how it turned out. And I used a lot what I already had out on my desk. So in my previous project I used some of these Tim Holtz die cuts. They're still out, and I thought, oh, why not? I really enjoyed using them, and I think they look very pretty. But this time I used more vellum. I'm still on my vellum kick, and in lavenders and yellows. So this is the front, very simple, and this is the back, and I put a pocket on the back. And I watched what's the lady's name? Oh, it's right on the tip of my tongue, and I can see her face. Oh no, it's gone. I'll put her name down here, and I watch her all the time, and I'm in her group, but the name has totally gone. I'm very sorry. And I've just had it together with a very simple closure, so I go round and around, and we open it up, and here, and I open it here, and I've got another closure here, and round and round and round. Sorry guys. And I have then it flips up, and this one flips down, and this one flips across. So it's very simple, and there's a pocket here. So that's how it all comes together. So here I just use some more of the die cuts, and these words are from the kit, and I've got some cheesecloth and some of my leftover paper. And on the side here, got a printed vellum pocket, and I'll just run some lace there, and of course the words from the kit. And I popped some tickets from another kit that I had left on my desk. This was from a Tracie Fox kit. And here these file folders come in the kit, and so of course I've got to print it on vellum again. And I decorated this one up, and the butterflies from the kit is same as the words, and that's blank inside, and I've inked, and I use tea stain ink because that's my favourite one. And another one, and I just popped a little pocket in there with some of the flowers that come from the kit, and some butterflies, and I used my scan and cut to cut all them out. Oh, I love that machine. And that just sits in the middle, and I just decorated one up. The flowers also from the kit, and I'll double side that one, so that's just a card and a little one, and it's blank inside. And on this side here, a belly band again. I did a double because I loved what Angela Kerr did with the double belly band. It was so simple but so effective. And here we got some envelopes, and the envelopes come in the kit, and yes, vellum again. Sorry, I love vellum, especially printing on it, and it goes so great, it looks so good. And these cards are from the kit, and I just lightly use some tea stain. I think I had them. Oh, they can go there, that's okay. And I've printed another page, and I left it all open. And some of the ephemera that came with the kit, and once again I left this plain uninked, so the different lady I'm sending this to can choose what she likes. I'll just switch it off for a few minutes till hubby finishes the lawn. He's just about to approach now. I'm back, and I do apologise if you can hear the lawnmower in the background. It's a beautiful spring day here today, and it's really cool to see the sun out. It's been a bit miserable this winter, but today Mother Nature's put on a beautiful display, so he took the opportunity to do the lawns. But unfortunately, the green, it's gone, and it looks quite dead underneath there. Anyway, enough of my ravings. I know, I carry on, I can't help it once you get me going. No, we're right. So at the top flip here is we've got some of the cards again. I just printed these out a bit smaller, and the tags also came with the kit. And they just slide in there. And the word with the kit, and I've just popped that onto some cheesecloth. And the pockets come with the kit. And in here, I just got some bits and pieces. Most of these graphics came from a Tracie Fox kit that I had left lying on my desk, and I thought they'd fit in here nicely. And so they just slide into there. And as we flip down, I decided to leave these blank and not decorate because I thought the papers were so pretty. And the pocket here, I used some more of the die cuts, some leftover vellum here in the paper, and the word is from the kit. Here I just put some guest checks and some layaway tags that I thought Sue could use. And some of the larger tags that are from the kit, and that's what they're like on the back. And just thinking like this, and there's up, and on the back in the pocket, told you I loved making these fold outs. So these are the same pockets with the A4 paper that Tina from Shabby Dabby Doodah did on her channel, and I'll just pop some of the die cuts and the words from the kit and a few more tags that come from the kit. Isn't it beautiful? And I just backed it. Absolutely gorgeous kit. It's full. And on the back, I laid it onto some more of the file folder, used the pocket from the kit, and just added some of the handmade tags, some more of these from the Tracie Fox kit. I'll pop the link down below. I can't remember what it's called. It's beautiful. It's purple based, and some more of the die cuts. And so that sits there. I also made a few other bits and pieces to go into the folder, but once it was in there, it was so chunky, it didn't close nice, so I thought I'd just pop them on top. So I watched, oh no, the ladies, I should have looked it up while I waited for hubby to go past with the lawnmower. Oh my goodness, I should write these names down before I start. It's the same lady that I watched making the folio. Oh my goodness, I'm so embarrassed I can't remember her name. Oh, I do apologise, but I will put that link down. And I just decorated the little butterfly and the words from the kit, and I just held that together with a paper clip, and I put a little butterfly on a pin with some little beads, and it's just a little notebook. And that's just coffee stain paper, and I just decorated the top. And then at the back I put another pocket that comes from the kit, the word from the kit, more die cuts, and inside I just Use some of the paper, and I popped in a tag, just some simple tags that I stamped. And another little folder, file folder, that's from the kit. A little stencil and some chipboard journal plates. So that went with that. And I also made another little folder. I used some sari silk, another little butterfly, and I used some lace and the word from the kit, and you just pull that up, and inside I just filled it with some more goodies. And yeah, these are all from the kit, and I used the scanner card again and just some more tickets and little bits and pieces. Hopefully, let's see if I can pull this postcard. There we go. And that's just like a laser chipboard. And I can put the links. These are from Whichcraft Can You Do? So that's double printed on double side, very simple. So that is all I've been up to. So thank you once again. I hope the lady likes it, because I was quite happy with how it turned out, and usually I don't like what I make, but I was really happy and pleased how it turned out. Anyway guys, I'll let you go because I'm rambling and I've just made a total tool out of myself. Anyway, I won't cut it out. I hope you have a laugh. I hope you're all doing well, and please keep smiling and take care. And I hope to catch it up with you again soon. Till next time, guys, you take care and you keep smiling. I'm thinking about you all. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye.